Roundup time in Mancos. All the little cows. Hi, babies. Our cattle drive goes right through town. Hi, babies. I know. They didn't stop at the stop sign. Nobody's stopping at the stop sign. That's right. Come on, little doggies. Come on, little doggies. Come on, little doggies. Come on, little doggies. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Follow your mama. Follow your mama. Hurry up. Hit 'em up, move 'em out. Hide. Woohoo! I wish I knew what they were saying. Because they got a lot to say. And this is the end of the cattle drive. There's some serious cowboying going on here. Oh, look, they got to round this one up. Went down in the hollow there. There we go. Have a great day.